Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I have a 2020 Buick Encore. As a lot of you remember, a few years ago, I replaced the regular halogen headlight with LED lights. And I said that if these lights hold up or are reliable, I will replace the Highbeams with the same brand. So fast forward 2 years later, these lights are doing great. I do a lot of night driving and these lights are great. So now I'm about to switch out the Highbeams with the Fahren Highbeams. This is the 9005 series. So I'm going to start off by replacing the fuse panel and the air box and do an unboxing of this bulb. So to remove the fuse panel, it's a little clip back here. You just pull it back and lift it up. For the air box, just remove the screws. This is Phillips head screws. So it's 2 screws. They don't come all the way out, they just loosen up. And you just lift this up and move to the side. As you can see here, I have a K&N air filter. Click the link in the top on how to clean the K&N air filter. So now a quick unboxing. So you got this little thing here, the cover. You have your actual bulbs, connector. So in this package, you have the instruction user manual, zip ties, more zip ties, some 2-way tape, a rubber grommet, and an Allen wrench. So you get up under the hood. Over here is your low beam. Over here are your high beam. So you just turn the door and pull it out. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Okay, when you're installing it, I don't know how good you can see it, but one side is plus, the other side says negative. So you want to make sure that the blue or the red wire goes to your positive and your black wire goes to your negative. Okay, once you get the bulb installed back, you can tuck the wires down up under the bulb. Make sure your fan is clear. and then just reapply your cover. Now on the passenger side, it's much harder to get to because of this. So for this application, I do have to replace the blue rubber O-ring with the red one. And always remember, when you're touching bulbs, make sure you have gloves or some type of protection on your hand. So that's it. It only took me about 30 minutes. The only thing I dislike is Buick only gives you a short wire for the high beams. So you really can't pull it out too far to hook up the new bulbs to it. But thank you guys for watching the video. For more videos like this, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and keep watching, and I will have before and after of how these lights shine at night.